Looking for an easy solution to get a handle on your finances in 2026? In today's comparison, we're putting two of the best plain text accounting programs head to head, Beancount and Ledger. Both are excellent solutions for double entry bookkeeping via text files. First, let's take a look at Ledger. Ledger is a seasoned command line program that began the movement toward plain text accounting. Written in C++, it is designed for speed and adaptability. Transactions are added right away, such as, let's say, 2026 slash 04 slash 28, and then you have grocery expenses, and you have food for $50. And then for liabilities, you have cash, without declaring your accounts first. Running Ledger Balance creates your financial report on the spot. Ledger is freely distributed and open source software under the BSD license. It is superior for lot tracking when dealing with investments, offering very precise calculations of commodities. Because of its tolerant syntax, however, it relies on personal diligence not to create inconsistencies or ghost accounts. Then we have Beancount. Beancount was founded in 2008, written in Python, and uses a strict style. It enforces a pre-declaration of all accounts with an open command and needs currency specifications for every entry. For example, 26-04-08, let's have grocery expenses, you have food for $50, and liabilities, you have cash for $50. Although it requires more initial work, Beancount always runs automatic balancing checks and consistency validations whenever you load the file. As of 2026, the core engine is highly optimized, or the version 3 of Beancount. It also happens to be the best companion for Fava, which gives you a gorgeous web based interface for producing charts and multiple periods of analysis without extra work. So, what suits your 2026 workflow? Go for Ledger if you're a fan of command line with an emphasis on usability and flexibility. It is ideal for single user accounting where speed counts and there is no lengthy setup needed before recording transactions. Opt for bean count if you value precision, error checking, and visualization features. This software will work great if you deal with complicated investment accounts or company accounting where you can save numerous hours in pre tax season error correction. If you don't appreciate being in the clouds, both options work perfectly fine for your needs. Install them, try entering a couple of transactions into a plain .text file, and find out which one suits you better.